Peggy 18.
Prison is hard. It's the toughest, nastiest, meanest place to be. That's just for the guards. You better believe that these guys on the inside just want to be on the outside. And if they can't be outside, they're gonna kick up all kinds of hell. So you got a job to do, son. Build a prison ain't nobody gonna escape from. But it ain't just about keeping them in. Their lives are in your hands. You gotta feed them, keep them clean, educate them. You can't do it alone, though. You need doctors, teachers, janitors, and a lot of guards to keep them in line. Sound easy? Well, trust me, things can go from bad to worse real quick. Good luck. Remember, your prison, your rules.